Here is a step-by-step guide for creating a website using WordPress. Choose a hosting provider. The first step in creating a website with WordPress is to choose a hosting provider. There are many options available, including shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. Choose a provider that fits your budget and provides the level of support you need. Register a domain name. A domain name is the address that people will use to access your website. Choose a domain name that is short, memorable, and relevant to your business or brand. You can register a domain name through your hosting provider or through a domain registrar. Install WordPress. Once you have chosen a hosting provider and registered a domain name, you can install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click installs, making the process simple and easy. Choose a theme. WordPress has thousands of themes to choose from, each with its own unique look and features. Choose a theme that fits the design and functionality you need for your website. You can find free and paid themes through the WordPress repository or from third-party developers. Customize your theme. Use the customization tools in WordPress to make changes to your theme, such as adding your logo, changing the color scheme, and customizing the layout. Create pages and posts. Use the pages and posts sections in WordPress to create the content for your website. Add text, images, and other media to create informative and engaging pages and posts. Add plugins. WordPress plugins are tools that add additional functionality to your website. Choose plugins that fit your needs, such as contact forms, social media sharing, and e-commerce tools. Configure settings. Use the settings section in WordPress to configure settings for your website, such as your permalinks, the time zone, and the date format. Launch your website. Once you have completed all of these steps, you can launch your website and start sharing it with the world. By following these steps, you can create a website using WordPress, a popular and user-friendly content management system. With WordPress, you can create a professional-looking website without the need for coding or technical skills.